Welcome to the era of intelligent machines. We live in exciting times. Machines are learning. This isn't science fiction. Machine learning is here and it's changing the world. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, the possibilities are endless. Machine learning is about teaching computers to learn from data without explicit programming. Imagine teaching a child to ride a bike. You wouldn't give them a complex physics lecture. You'd show them how it's done and let them learn from experience. That's what machine learning does. It allows computers to learn patterns and make predictions based on data. The more data they process, the better they become. This has opened up amazing opportunities in various fields. This beginner's guide will demystify machine learning. Get ready to explore its core concepts and real-world applications. Let's dive in. At its core, machine learning is all about data. It's about feeding computers vast amounts of information and letting them discover hidden patterns. Think of it like baking a cake. You need the right ingredients, data, a recipe, algorithm, and an oven, computer, to bake the perfect cake. Prediction. There are different ways machines learn. Supervised learning is like having a teacher. We give the computer labeled data, like pictures of cats and dogs. The computer learns to distinguish between them based on this data. Unsupervised learning is like letting the computer explore on its own. We give it unlabeled data, and it finds patterns and structures. Imagine giving a child a box of Legos. They can build anything without specific instructions. Reinforcement learning is like training a pet. We reward the computer for good predictions and penalize it for bad ones. This way, it learns to make better decisions over time. So, machine learning is like teaching computers to learn from experience, just like humans. Let's explore some key concepts in machine learning. Data, the fuel of machine learning. It can be anything: numbers, text, images, videos. Algorithms. These are the recipes that guide the learning process. Different algorithms are used for different tasks. Models, the output of the learning process. A model is a representation of the patterns found in the data. It's like the computer's understanding of the world. Training, the process of feeding data to an algorithm to create a model. Prediction, using the trained model to make predictions on new, unseen data. Imagine you want to teach a computer to recognize handwritten digits. You would feed it thousands of images of handwritten digits labeled with the correct digit. This is the training data. The algorithm would then learn from this data and create a model. This model would be able to recognize handwritten digits even if it has never seen them before. That's the power of machine learning. Section 4. Applications of machine learning transforming industries. Machine learning is everywhere. It's transforming industries from healthcare to finance and beyond. In healthcare, machine learning is helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and develop personalized treatments. It's also being used to analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs to detect abnormalities. In finance, machine learning is used to detect fraud, assess credit risk, and provide personalized financial advice. It's also being used to develop algorithmic trading systems that can make investment decisions faster and more efficiently than humans. But that's not all. Machine learning is also used in e-commerce, recommending products to customers based on their browsing history and purchase patterns. In social media, identifying and filtering spam and fake news. And in transportation, optimizing traffic flow and developing self-driving cars. These are just a few examples of how machine learning is changing the world around us. The possibilities are truly endless. Section 5. The future of machine learning. A world of possibilities. The future of machine learning is incredibly exciting. As computers become more powerful and data becomes more abundant, machine learning will continue to revolutionize our world. We can expect to see even more sophisticated applications of machine learning in the years to come. Imagine a world where robots assist us in our daily lives, from cleaning our homes to providing companionship. Personalized medicine becomes the norm, with treatments tailored to our individual genetic makeup. Education is revolutionized by personalized learning experiences that adapt to each student's needs. These are just a glimpse of what the future holds. Machine learning has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems and create a better future for everyone. Section 6. Conclusion. Embrace the power of machine learning. Machine learning is a powerful tool that is already changing the world. By understanding the basics of machine learning, you can unlock its potential and be a part of this exciting revolution. This beginner's guide has provided a glimpse into the fascinating world of machine learning. But this is just the beginning. There is so much more to learn and explore. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the power of machine learning and discover the endless possibilities that await.